I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine. Confirm your Ubuntu release and update packages so dependent libraries match. Next, install XRDP now and enable its service. This gives a standard RDP endpoint you can reach from Windows or another Linux. Once done, open port 3389 in UFW and make sure the system user you will log in as has a password set. These steps create the reachable server and the network path before you attempt any client connection. Now you configure the graphical session and XRDP behavior. If the machine was headless, install a lightweight desktop like XFCE so sessions start reliably. Then edit XRDP's start script to launch your desktop environment and export any needed environment variables. This ensures the session matches what you expect. Restart the XRDP daemon and verify its status. Make sure your display manager isn't conflicting. Finally, confirm the user can start a local session, and that PAM authentication succeeds so remote logins will work. To finish, open your RDP client and connect to the Ubuntu host IP at port 3389 using the account you prepared. Once connected, if you see a black screen or immediate disconnect, inspect XRDP and session logs for missing desktop commands or permission errors, correcting stardom. SH or installing Zorgzip often fixes this. Also test basic network reachability with ping and telnet to 3389 and verify firewall or NA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.